Hi, I'm Josephine. I'm here with Kalina and Johnny, my girls, and we are doing an intermediate to advanced dumbbell workout. So I'm using 5-pound weights. The girls have 3 pounds. Use whatever weight works for you. They are compound movements, which means you're doing multiple body groups at the same time. Let's get started with a brief warm-up. Let's go. Light on the feet, shake it out, get the heart rate up. Nice. Let's go for a little jump rope action going on. Good. Heel dig, jump rope. Use your wrists, core tight. Warm it up, get that blood flowing, and get going. Good. Let's stay here for 10 more. And we are going to go to 2 feet jump rope in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 feet. Good. Stay here about 30 seconds. Really get that heart rate up. Get warm. Get the muscles loose and ready for this intermediate to advanced workout. How we doing, girls? Good. 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 Keep your core engaged. They got the smile on their faces. They're ready to rock. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Good. Just shake everything out. Let the hands loose. Good. Come into your body there. Get warm. Feel your temperature coming up. Let's bring it up again with a little jumping jacks in 3 and 2 and 1. Let's go. Good. Straight arms. Core tight. This will really get your heart going. Whew. Good. Give me 15 more. Last 10 and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Good. Let's march in place. Good. Nice work. How we doing, girls? We getting warm? Good. Let's stretch it out and then we'll get started with a side stretch. Good. Really stretch into that rib cage. Core tight. Belly button to spine. Reach over. Inhale. Exhale. Go deeper. Good. Nice deep stretch now that the body's warm. Good. Come on up through the center. Inhale. Exhale. Bring it on over to the other side. Breathe into that rib cage. Inhale. Exhale. Come up through the center. Good. Roll the shoulders back. Good. Now roll them forward. Bring the elbows up. Good, because we're doing a lot of shoulder work today. So girls, you ready for that?
Yep.
Working out those shoulders. Good. Last 3 and 2 and 1. Good. Let's get started. All right, go ahead and grab 1 dumbbell. For this exercise, it's called the split chop. We're starting on one side. We're going to do 10 reps. All right, so starting with the right leg. Here we go. You split, back, split, back. That's 2. Good. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Let's switch it out. Left side. Here we go. 1, 2, together. 3. Whew. Doing great. Last. 5, 4, split. 3, 2, 1. Whew, my heart rate came up. Did yours? Yeah. Nice job. Go ahead and grab your other dumbbell. This is gonna work your shoulders and you're gonna squat. It's a squat with an overhead press, but you keep the arms locked out to really burn out the shoulder, all right? Start right here. You can also modify if you want to. You squat down, hold, bring it all the way up and hold. Then come all the way down, hold. This is really gonna burn out the shoulders and work the core. You're doing awesome. You're working the booty. You're working the core. Shoulders are burned out. You're doing awesome. We're gonna go for 12 reps. Good. We're at 8 and 9. Keep those elbows locked out. 10, 11, and 12. Woo, nice job. Are your shoulders burning? Good. Next thing, we're working core stability, balance, and legs. It's called a levitating lunge. So we're gonna start with the right leg planted back. The left, we're gonna let it hover. Now, if you have to tap the toe, you can, all right? But I want you to work on your core and your balance. So if you can, try to stay here. So you lunge back and you come up, core tight. Don't let that foot touch the ground. It's a levitating lunge. Now, it's okay if you tap down a little bit. Good. That's 5. We're going for 10 on this side. 6. You can bend the back knee too if you need to a little. Keep it low. Good. 8, Ooh, I feel it in my booty. 9, good. Keep your balance, core. And 10, good work. Switch sides. So make sure the left leg's planted now, and you're gonna reach back. Here we go. 1, woo, my balance is a little off on this side, good. 2, we always have a more dominant side. 3, it's okay if you have to touch down a little. Happens to the best of us. 4, especially when you're on a hill. That's tough. 5, good.
Appreciate it.
6,
We got it.
breathe through it. 7, 8, almost there. Ooh, my booty's on fire. 9 and 10. Nice job. You could do that with or without weight. Great job. So next we're gonna do another full body workout routine here. You have a lunge with a back and front raise. So you're working the triceps, shoulders, your booty. Let's get started, all right? You reach back, good, core tight, reach back, far back. Nice, we're gonna do 20 of these total. Really burning out the shoulder, feeling it in the tricep. You're doing awesome, good. We're almost halfway there. Get those arms up and back. Good, we're halfway, we're at 10. Breathe through it. Good, you're doing awesome. Yes. Last. 6, 5, come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo, I really felt that one, did you? Woo, heart rate's up, good. Next thing we're gonna do is a similar thing, but we get to stay static, which is good. You're gonna hinge at the hip, core tight, belly button to spine. You're gonna opposite reach, front and back raise. Arms straight and locked out. Good. Bring it all the way through. Going for 20 of these too, really burning out the shoulders. A lot of shoulder action today. Good, we're halfway. Last 10, back flat, core tight. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You can modify this with no weight. 4 if you need to. 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. And the next thing really works your legs. Bring up your weights right to the chest. It's called a kneel down and surrender. So you bring one knee down, the other knee down, up and up. Now switch. Other knee, good. Up and up. Going for 10. Stay low with this. Good, really burn out the booty. And make sure you're switching knees. Good, you're halfway, we're going for 10. Woo, I feel this one already. Oh, my booty's burning. Good, almost there. Whew, last 3, come on, you can do it. 2, breathe through it. Core tight, last 1. And I'm going to surrender. Woo, that was tough. Great job on that. So next up you need a mat, and you can do this with or without weights. I'll show you with the weights. The girls are doing it without the weights. It's called a jumping jack push-up, and it is tough. It works the whole body and it gets your heart rate up. So come on down to the floor with or without your weights. I'm gonna show you one with the weight. Your weights are together. You jump out like a jumping jack, jump in, push up. Now I'm gonna lose the weights. Girls, keep it up. You go out, in, push up, that's 2, going for 10. Out, in, push up, that's 3. Out, in, push up, that's 4. Ooh, I'm feeling it. Out, in, that's 5. 6, good work, almost there. 7, push up. 8, come on, out, in, that's 9, last 1, out, in, push up, oh, that's 10. Ooh, that was a burner, great job, girls. You nailed it. Well, I didn't see them, but I'm sure they did. Good work. Next thing is really working the back and the shoulders. It's called a T-pump. You can do it, again, with or without weights. I recommend light weights for this so you don't hurt your shoulder. Come on down to your stomach, like so. You're gonna tee out your arms and you're gonna pump them, pump them. Keep your neck neutral. Good, core tight. You'll feel it in the back and the shoulders. You still got a great workout without the weight. With the weight is advanced. So make sure you can withstand this. Good. Going for 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! I really felt that. I hope you did at home. Great job. Let's move along to some abs. You ready for abs, girls? Let's do this. Starting out with the twisting leg lift. This one really gets you. With your dumbbells or without if you need to modify. Have your dumbbells right here. Your legs are straight, locked out, and together. You're gonna go opposite hand with the weights and the legs. Bring it in the center. Good, that's 2. Really stretch and reach. Oh, I'm feeling this in the abs. Good, 3. 4 to the center. Reach out, try to get all the way down if you can. You might be more flexible on one side. You're doing great. Good. Twisting leg lift. I'm feeling this twist. Good. We're halfway. Good, we got 10 more. 10. Try to keep the feet together and legs locked out. And reach. Doing great. Last 6. Together. 5. Together. 4. Together. 3. Together. 2. Together. Last 1. Together. Woo! I felt that all in my obliques and everywhere. Even my shoulders got a little action there. Good, next thing, more shoulder action. I told you there was a lot of shoulders. It's a full sit-up for the front of the abs with a shoulder press. All right, so come on down to your back. You'll have your weight by your chest. You come all the way up, full sit-up, press up, come down. Good, we're doing 10 of these. Good, 2, nice work. All the way, sit up, really press up, good. We're halfway, that's 5. And 6. 7, good, burn it out. 8. 9. And 10, last one. Shoulders feeling good, abs feeling good. Last ab exercise. We're working those obliques, that muffin top. We want to get rid of that for the summer, right? Summer, winter, fall, it doesn't matter. Go ahead, lay down on one side and with a dumbbell or without if you need to modify. You're gonna have your one hand down here, one leg straight, and bring it behind. You're gonna crunch up and crunch. Good, that's 3. Really crunch that muffin top. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, breathe. 8, 9, 10. Nice work. Let's switch sides. Switch it around, come to the other side. Bottom leg is straight, with or without the dumbbell. Arm down, back leg behind you. Let's crunch it up behind. Good. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! No more muffin top, right? Great job. You did awesome on your full body workout. These were some hard moves. Let's start with a little cool down. Let's stay on the ground. Let's go into child's pose. Put your arms out, forehead to the mat. Inhale, exhale. This is my favorite part of the workout.
I was about to say that.
Good, now let's come into upward facing dog. Lay on your stomach and squeeze and reach up. Stretch out the abs. Arch the lower back. Good, now push into downward facing dog. Stretch out the hamstrings and the calves. Full body stretch here. Good, walk the hands to the feet. Grab opposite elbow and rock from right to left. Release the lower back. Let the hands down, roll it up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll the shoulders back. Good. Roll them forward. And you are done. Great job, girls. Nice work. Good work.
Thank you.
Advanced total body.